are you today? Are you good? Are you lovely? Are you good? Let's go! As we are here today, welcome everyone. Just gonna sing take down the music. There we go. Music is downtown. So, hello. Hey, hello, Forex family. Hello, family. Hello. You should call me boss. Just having fun. Like the stream, guys. Hello, Oluzola. Big day today for the markets, says Rafael. William says, hello, sir. Hello. And Bibi says, hey, stranger. Hope all is well. Everything is good. Hopefully, you are very good too. Anthropa says, the man, the legend, the navigator of our wealth. So, what's the deal? What's the... Oh, wow. What's the deal? The deal is FOMC later today. I am going to send all of you beautiful people. I don't know. With this, there's still discussions. I'm not going to say what discussions, but there's still discussions. There's still discussions of what. There's still discussions of how things is going to be, what it's going to be. But one thing is for sure, you heard it not first here, but you heard it somewhere else. That we people, maybe it's not okay. All videos maybe. Upcoming live streams. Here we are. Reminder set, ready to go. This is where I'm going to be live today. So if you have if you have copy paste, this is what you copy. This is me, and we shall see how things going. So that is a couple of collaboration between me and Trironik today. The question becomes, are we going to be live afterwards, after FOMC? That is the question. That is the question. So we shall see if negotiations are going through, or so my point I'm trying to make here is, if negotiation doesn't come through, we'll be live here for the press conference. So keep your ears open, your eyes open, and all that is good, right? I think you guys like that. What's up with the shades, baby? It's a Top Gun danger zone reference. And I don't know, it's a community that does that, and so yeah, that is kind of, I think I started saying that this is a danger zone or something like that, and then with the glasses on, and then thing just took off. So after MC, I will be too busy spraying each other with champagne. Yeah, I will find something. So let's go through the markets. S&P 500 is making higher highs. Not entirely bullish, but it is interestingly quiet. What I'm expecting here, people, let's see for year 0, I will see 3M, I will see 6M, and I will see okay, I can't even see that even. And then I have to make all of these. Okay, cool. And then the last one is 1 year. 0 is now, and I expect maybe the markets to do 5% drop from now. That's just a worst case scenario. I hope so that is worst case. The best case is 5% up. Then we make our highs, we starting to buy, and everything is good. This is for S&P, okay? S&P. Year 0 or time 0, 3 months from now, 6 months from now. 6 months from now, I expect either 0% change from today, which is around, yeah, that is okay. And then I expect maybe from year now, so every year it's around 10%, so I expect 9% increase by 1 year. So that will, and then best case is 5% up. That means then we are 9% up here, plus 9% here. And by next year, we are 9, 12, 13% probably. So take a screenshot of whoever wants to do this. I will take a screenshot and I will probably also hide. I don't know if I can hide the bars. No, bars is not good. Lines, not even better. That one either. Area, no, not even that. Baseline, no, not really that either. So yeah, nay. What can we say? What should we do? Candles. Can we hide it? Hide price, hide price, hide price. Can we do that? Maybe. Yeah, there we can. Yeah, we could. Cool. Now we know. Now we're good. And then we can take a screenshot of this and then post this to Discord. Oops. I sent the chart in the wrong. I sent the update in the wrong chat. Okay, sorry. I'll take it away. Sorry. Wrong chat. Delete link. Link there. Sorry. I was wondering if this recent retracement is just of interest rate as the situation is Ukraine has not improved. I was thinking they cost more to hold. Okay, so so the Ukraine situation has improved as there has been positive talks. But yeah, I think it's also that, yeah, they're taking the best case into consideration, like the best case, because they want market to go back up again, one thing else. But if you look at oil just as a reference here, what's really driving oil prices at the moment is a couple of things. It is China. See, everyone can read China, right? Oops, China. China has lockdown in Shenzhen and other regions, which makes oil go down because of demand. Now, Iran might come up and start producing more. That would also increase supply. Both of them sends the price down. Then we have USA that has oil sand and America, that has oil sand. They will start increasing supply because now they make a lot of money, producing at $130 a month, $130 a barrel. The next thing is, of course, Ukraine, Russia, Ukraine-ish. Ukraine and Russia. This has been positive news. So this has kind of like the risk has gone down, therefore price has gone down. So this have had positive developments. It's not a supply and demand issue; it's a price issue or a psychology issue. This is plus for the market, and then oil falls. And then what was the other thing that I was thinking of? So supply, demand, and then Libya has been cut off, or they don't produce anymore so much. They went from 1.2 million barrels a day and to 900,000. So that is then less supply. And then we have Russia themselves, that I don't know how much though, but it's also less supply. So there is things that will make price go higher, there's things that will make price go lower here in this case. But China taking away demand for oil, if we go back to COVID, this is what happened in COVID, by the way. Iran increases supply. It is not yet, it's not now, but it can happen. Americans and small contractors will probably start increasing supply because now there's a lot of money to be made. Russia's situation has improved, but I think today it was like not so much, like they were like, there's not that much positive anymore. Okay, whatever. And then we have Libya that is decreasing their supply, and Russia decreasing supply. So up supply, down supply, lower demand, and psychological wise, market has then retraced. And Saudi Arabia, as far as I know, is pretty elastic, meaning that they have a constant stream. Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabia has a very constant supply, as far as I understand it, and they can drop any day and go back up again any day. They can do whatever they want with supply. So they are, as far as I know, they are at, not, I don't know if they're at full supply, but they are at much as they can, as far as I've understood them, because they were supposed to increase by 400,000 last year, but failed to increase supply by 400,000 barrels a day. So I don't know if that is supposed to be happening like that, but it wasn't a positive thing whatsoever. So very good, Hassan. To also mention Saudi Arabia, we also have other oil producers out there, but I think we just have to, I just had to make that presentation today. And I hope that maybe you hit that like button, because I just maybe taught you something new today. Maybe. It's only likes only if I teach you something new. So, is that another one we are supposed to? I don't know if it makes sense to anyone else that has not been the stream though, but whatever. That's the second one today. So then we can take that away, go back to charts and S&P 500 and dollar. So S&P 500 currently is trying to make a higher high. We can all see that. We're not blind. Sorry, that was the wrong one. We're not blind, right? So on the EMAs, we are still bearish. So I need more confirmation that we're actually going to go higher. And I can see there is news coming out. What is the news right now? Canadian CPI month-on-month 1% over forecast 0.9. That will probably be Canadian dollar strength. Yeah. So for those who took the trade here, people, that was on the ball here and on the ball here, you're now making money. Congratulations. That is coming from the unemployment rate doing well, and now also CPI is going higher. That is going to lead to maybe higher interest rates in the future. That will lead to more demand for Canadian dollar. Other than that, on S&P, it's a wait and see situation. For oil, at the moment, it's also a wait and see situation. Why is it a wait and see situation? This is because we have reached our target for the month. Here, particularly. We fell off. We can still fall more, but when I see that it's not very optimistic to be selling right now at the targets. That doesn't work, people, okay? Sorry about that. We can't do that. So just need to see if there is going to be any pullbacks to sell, or if this is going to return higher. It is right now a wait and see situation. Dollar index. Hello, Denise. Hello, Denise. How are you today? Hassan, Hashimi, please tell me if you have any setup, if you have any entries, you have any orders on the euro, because you're sending me a very sad face from euro dollar. Is there any particular reason why you want that to be covered? Why do I mention that? Because I will help you more. And I can hear my WhatsApp is open. Oops, that was the wrong side of opening that one. That one needs to stay. I can take away you. Oh, that wasn't good even. Shut up, Ivan. You failed that one drastically. Whoopsie daisy. Just trying to take away all my. I think I've like four Opera Chrome pages full of whatever things I shouldn't have open right now. So we are down to 2. Just woken up. Good morning. Ivan, do you have any nicknames? Why? I have one nickname as far as I know. I am called Viking Peep Master. And maybe I should start using that more. Or my Norwegian gaming name was Iskald, which is ice cold in English. So Viking Pip Master is my 4x one, and gaming I'm ice cold. I was wondering if you are in EU. Not in particularly, no. Sold it, took some profits, and I'm gone. Kategori is long from 73,000. We can go through look at that as well. So, hello Chris Al. How are you? You are one of the few people that actually says my name. I don't know how many times you ever heard me say it, Chris, but right now you're my best friend because you can say my name correctly. What dollar positions do you have currently open? I have closed them because of FOMC and because of we have hit targets, so I don't want to be holding trees. And if the market goes crazy today, it goes crazy today. That is without me. So going into dollar, just mentioning, it is pulling back a bit, and is it going to go higher? Well, that's all depends on the FOMC and what the power of Powell is going to say today. So that is all in the darkness and question. But we are still technically very bullish. We are seeing, price coming back down to 55, still holding 55. We have paused a bit right now, but this can still go to the higher side and it can still go to the lower side. It's all depending. So right now I'm still bullish. I'm not just technically very aggressive. Okay. So the first one to look at was euro dollar. We had a successful trade yesterday. So hashtag daily setups. Hashtag daily setups. I said also on stream with Nick on Monday. If you want to go back and see that one, I said selling 110. And that gave you 90 pips. Yeah, I think that's okay. I think that's okay. That's maximum though. So that gave you some pips there. Did not make a lower low. So now we are back to that price again. Okay. Is price now reversing around? If we go and look at whatever that is called right now, the retail traders always lose money. They are currently looking to buy euro dollar. That will give us a chance to maybe sell it more. So I don't agree that euro dollar is currently trying to make bullishness. Whatever I'm trying to tell you is we have reached our target quite fast, quite hard, and we are having a reprice. That's all what we're doing right now. So I think the momentum is still to the downside, and Fed can still surprise us and still make this one go lower. If this now starts breaching higher, making whatever, then it's without me. Then I'm okay with that. So the sells this week was here. That was a good one. The sell last week was... Is it last week? As far as I know. The sell last week was this one. So 2 good weeks. Boom! Congratulations, mates. only 25, and I'm showing you profit, and I'm showing you setups we took, and I talked about in this stream. What are you guys doing? Look at daily charts. It is in the symmetrical triangle. Miro, you and Harold can talk about triangles and structures and whatever. Whatever you talk about, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. I'm sorry. It doesn't. Maybe I miss out. Maybe I'm stupid as a stone. But it doesn't make me profitable. It only makes me lose. It only makes me lose more money. Okay, is that cool? That's cool. Somebody asked, you look at USD CAD, and I have an icon here that says do not trade it and don't look at it. So don't look at it. I don't understand USD CAD right now. It is going up and down, down and up. And that was supposed to be the trade plan. Not that it is a trade plan, but it's just in the direction that I want you to go. It went, 169 pips in my direction of my plan, but I haven't traded this. I haven't made money here. I haven't lost money here either. So I am out. Gia, for the second time, comes in and says, Eivin, cash receipt. Yes, and what? Yes, I don't understand the USD CAD right now. It's going up and down. It's going in a range. It's going a bit higher, going a bit lower. It reverses at random places, so I'm not into it. So if you're wondering what's the target, 74.22. I didn't make you take that profit, but profit can now fall down until heavens and earth. But that is what you're supposed to do. Okay, that is up to you. Where you take your profit. You are above the monthly. So you bought at 70 what? 73. So you bought at okay. Lucky there were two tails. I can see. And then you take you would probably look at 74.22. But if it falls before that, don't come to me crying, because right now you're so overstretched that the neck can't be higher. So I will be break even on my trade. I will be trailing your stop loss to like 73.60 or whatever it is. Not at all close to any financial advice. I'm just saying what you could do. Okay. Good. This is what I'm seeing if today's news is bad. I'm thinking of buying Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, Tage, I'm just gonna take your chart here because I want to do something. Tage, I do apologize if you don't like it. Please, I will give you $10 if you don't like it as compensation. But I want to show your chart to everyone. So I didn't ask for permission first, but let's look at it. So people. This is Tage chart he sent to me. So, I'm taking the liberty of doing it. So, is this a good trade plan? I would say this is a very good trade plan. I would say that maybe the pullback is a bit low. Sorry, the pullback is a bit, maybe the pullback is a bit low. But if this is but this is a good plan. This is a good plan. Comes down bearish, reads target for the month, for the week, makes double bottom, higher high, higher low, bada bing, bada boom. Thumbs up, 10 out of 10 to Tage for this trade plan. Maybe it works out, maybe it doesn't, but at least your trade plan is as good looking as you. Andrea says, hello, first time here. Do you look at any specific pairs? So can we ask about any pairs? Any pairs is allowed, but I have my reservations against those pairs that I don't like, and I can tell you the reasons why, and then you can still trade them as much as you want. But I will give you. I do not like pairs that ranges. You can ask me to look at them. That's all okay. But I don't like ranging pairs. I want to have trends. I want to move. I want to catch trends. So there's some pairs out there that doesn't trend. Then I don't like that because I don't make money with there, and I lose money. That's kind of what the thing is. Pound CAD. I'm in a selling with little target. We should take Pound CAD. Do you have a chart, Raphael, that you can send me? That would be great. I will start encouraging that charts, so I can look at your charts. I will look at your trading statements, your trading history, and that was all okay. That was all good. A bit shocked, but okay. What you sold? Where did you sell? I don't know where you sold. So this is not a sell though, because it's made a higher. Well, yeah, maybe. But target should probably be 79 level, 179 level. Now I'm on the wrong one. I'm on pound cat. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna do full analysis here. I'm gonna go monthly first. Okay, so you're aggressive selling in an aggressive market. Okay, fair enough. And that can all of a sudden go back up again. Okay. So that's a risk there that we have taken profit already on monthly. We've gone on to weekly into weekly sell, didn't reach weekly sell, sold off weekly. Okay. So if the forex gods are with you, it is 164. It's a bit low. So if you think that you should take profit now, I'm going to tell you one in particularly important things. 2x orders. That mean orders. So when you trade, I would take 50% off. So 50% of a trade. So if I have 0.10 lots normally, I would do 0.05, which is half of that lot, and 0.05 lot, which is, it's the same thing as this. And I will 2 orders, and I will take profit whenever you feel like you should take profit. So this one is TP current price, which is 166. And I will let the other one run at break even, of course, supposed to break even. And TP for that one, I would take at 164. So that if you're wondering, what should you do with those situations? Where should you take a profit? Where do you do that? How do you know? So you get 50% off. You get 50% off the trade, but you still move with the market if it continues lower. Is that a good deal? Boom. I think that's a very good deal. What is your view on the correlation between Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and gold? I think currently the correlation at this moment is not high. I can do Aussie dollar gold, for example, not futures. And the reason why is because gold has made 6%, has made way better moves than Australian dollar, US dollar. If you do that against the Australian index, you're going to see that Aussie has barely moved higher on the index, but gold has moved much more. So correlation between AUD and gold is low at the moment. And I don't have how much it is going to be, or how strong it is, but it's currently not. You can't say because gold goes higher, also dollar will go higher. There's no correlation there. Okay? So for all of you 81 people who's here today, please ask questions. Please come with your pairs, come with your trading plans, come with questions for FOMC today, which I'm going to be live on. Don't worry. And all those questions. Okay? I'm all here for you. This is going to be fun. This is going to be great. Are we going to make money? We are going to make money. We're going to win. We're going to win. We are going to win. That is what's going to happen today. Pound, yen, and gold, please, says Countdown Top 10. Okay, we can look at that too. I'm looking for a sell on Aussie at 72.90 after FOMC. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah. Australian CAD. Okay, I was looking at GJ to understand the current price action and any zone from where it could reverse because I'm overall bearish on pound, says Andrea Lucia. I don't know. Koyan? I don't know. It's Spanish, so I don't understand. I don't have those Spanish tones in me. I do apologize for that. But yeah. So, cool. Translation. And then we will say Koyan. Kohan. Okay. Cool. So, cool. I will go fast. I will go faster. Pound yen. Any place you can look for a sell. Okay, first of all, we have 4 hour. We have on 1 hour, we have a very strong bullish trend. I would say on pound yen, you should be looking at selling here and selling here. That didn't work. So currently on pound yen, you are seeing a very strong bullish trend developing up. And I've been short-sighted for quite some time now, and it has not respected those levels you were thinking it should respect. So what do you do then? When you go to 4 hour, you go up and then you say, okay, what's next level then? Your plan Z is 155, 156, like up in these levels here. So what do I try to make? I'm trying to make a I'm trying to show you a double top, lower low, lower high that was never tested. And it might be tested this time. If you have a short bias on pound yen. There is a rate decision tomorrow. There's a rate decision on yen on Friday. So both of these will have interest rate decisions this week. And that's probably also why they are there. Joe balls, boom. I tagged you yesterday, Joe. Did you see it? Did you see it, Joe? There was a guy who's interested in the seasonality indicator. Throwing on a curve, ZAR Japanese, please. Take a look. Okay. That's also very interesting. So for those who want me to do gold, is there any gold traders in here? I'm going to do ZAR yen just for the fun of it while you are showing your appreciation for gold. If you don't show your appreciation for gold, I will not do it. South African rand, Japanese yen is an absolute cracker to the upside. I don't know if Harold, if you still hear me. If you still hear me, Harold, if you're still trading it, this looks fantastic on a bullish trend. Boo! Damn. But this is a good one. This has turned out to be a good one. So, where's the target? Target has been hit very nicely last week. Maybe 8 ZAR per yen. But I think we have passed some significant targets for this week. So I think we need to be able to maybe take the profit and move on. Maybe take the profit and move on. Joel Robinson says pound yen buy, stop selling it. Well, Joel, in this class, you are allowed to have whatever opinion you have, and I'm going to protect your opinion forever it is, but you can't come in and say that you should stop selling. People have different opinions. Please be respectful of other people's opinions. My plan is to buy pound Swiss. It worked well. We're going to look at that because you are a YouTube member. Cool. Yeah, that worked very well. I'm very glad for you. Clap for Denise. Good. Gold. What is happening to gold? What did I say on stream on Monday? Does anyone know? Does anyone know that the difference, Joel, is that if you say that your plan is to buy and you are looking for support, that's all okay. But to tell anyone else to stop selling, well, we're not selling it. We're just looking for it. We're just our plans. It's not nothing else than that. It's a Romanian. Okay, I'm sorry. I will not make any assumptions anymore. Sorry, Andrea. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I will do 10 push-ups afterwards. On stream on Monday, I said gold should go to 1900. That's where it was supposed to go. So at the moment, it is what it is, I guess. And if there is anything else than that, okay, cool. But other than that, we are supposed to be being down here. That is the target for the week, people. So be very careful on gold today. This can go up, this can go down. Why do I say be very careful on gold? It's because, people, one once they take profit, liquidity goes down. Liquid goes down. That is very important. That means price can do that, and it can whipsaw you out. Just have that in your opinion. Just have that in your. Do you think gold can go back up again? I am doubtful that gold can go up again. I think gold can go up again to sell further. That is what I believe gold can do now. The reason for that is the market has peaked there, and unless there is a new story that is gonna spike risk off and gold, maybe if we have stagflation, or Mr. Powell comes out and said we're gonna have stagflation soon, or ECB or Bank of England says we're gonna have stagflation, which is unlikely, that is a gold bullish move. So any kind of that situation, or if we have a rocket coming out of North Korea and Kim Jong-un wants to have a party, or if you have escalation of the Russian-Ukrainian war with nuclear, or any kind of major risk event that is unknown right now that can all of a sudden come. But if that doesn't happen, then there is no reason to be buying more. And I've also heard that Russians are selling off their gold to buy... Oh, there was another one. Harold, help me later. But it was another metal they bought instead. I cannot remember what it was. We went through it yesterday. But so they are trying to reduce their dollar dependency. Yeah, I know SAR is expensive. I just went through it because it was asked for. If that fits you, that's a different story. What's your thoughts on CAD? Bullish. If FOMC will be good, will all Australian dollar will be short, USD CAD long. I probably won't do USD CAD long because of CAD strength. So I think that is okay. Kim wants to have a party. Yeah, that is a very positive thing to say, I would say. Palladium. It was uranium. Yeah. So if you go to uranium, I'm actually going to have a meeting in 2 minutes. So I do apologize if I'm leaving you very time soon. Uranium. And it's supposed to be uranium. And it's supposed to be not stock. It's supposed to be future. I can't remember which one we used. So uranium. Chart probably. Futures. I can't remember the ticker. That's why. I can't remember the ticker. Up 10%. Yeah. So as you can see here, it has a very strong uptrend at the moment. So yeah, that is. I will have to find what that is on the actual exchange. What's the ticker? Ticker. Globex. I can't even spell uranium apparently. UX. Yeah, still the same though. So it's not that one. EFT index. Forex, crypto, futures, stock, whatever it is. I will figure it out. I will ask Harold later on. Yeah. So at the moment, people, I would just say, yeah, it is. But they are going to go into more different ones instead of buying gold. Just wait 2 seconds. 2 seconds, people. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, people. I am going to do one more thing, and then I need to jump. Okay, cool. I'll jump. S&P 500, new higher high, but not bullish yet. Waiting for it. Nasdaq going higher, but waiting for it. I'm expecting it to fall maybe today. Dollar index is falling a bit, but I think it's going to continue higher in the end. Australian dollar had hit target for the week this week, so I think only this is can be a pullback to continue further dollar sells. Euro dollar is not bullish. I think it's just making its way before it maybe cracks lower. Pound dollar also coming a bit up and then falls a bit more. No trade-off set up there. New Zealand dollar coming up after hitting target for sellers, coming up and then maybe continue selling tomorrow or today. USD yen, very high, has stopped at 118. Can continue higher, but I'm just saying, you guys, if you are in this trade, mark my words, be careful, be break even, be in good mood, and don't take unnecessary risk. CAD yen, new higher high, pullback, continuation higher. Where's the target? I do not know at the moment. It has passed all the targets I have had. Maybe there's one for the week. That would be 93.45. It's hidden. Sorry, 93.45. It's probably the target for unit for CAD yen so far, and I am need to jump. I hope you're having a good day. Oil, I'm not going to touch it. It is how to come down to take profit. Maybe a bit higher before falling. Nat gas is also just in the range, doing nothing and everything. A part of that. Have a good day. Boom. We will be live tonight for FOMC. Please look out for the link. Is in the beginning of this chat. I'm just going to find it right now. I am going to be together with Trader Nick on Trader Nick's live, and then we shall see if I'm going to go over on mine. So please be subscribed if I go live at around the press conference for Powell. Okay? Cool? Boom. Good.